Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Updata app review to see with what you're using. So let's dive into it. The Updata is a moving assistant app that helps streamline the relocation process by organizing essential tasks in one place. It allows users to transfer utilities, forward mails, book movers, set up internet and TV service, and update address with a various provider. The app works on both iOS and Android and often offered through a real estate agent or a property managers, making it easy for users to stay or track with smart reminder and a clear moving checklist. However, Updater has faced criticism for occasional inaccuracy in service appointment and limited flexibility in provided options, with some users feeling pressure towards certain recommendation. Other reports that the invite-only nature the app limit access. And here's the very conclusion: the app is still worth using if you want a centralized, convenient way to manage your moves and don't mind using suggested services, but not ideal if you prefer a full control over every choice or need options public access. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the revision button or subscribe for more reviews.